Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and on the Frontier OS27 today, this very capable mill, we have a 16-foot 6-inch popple, or in Michigan we call popples or Aspen popple. So technically, this would be in the Aspen family. It's not a tulip popple; it's just a regular, we'd call it a popple. Much bigger than this, and they start rotting out. And falling. They're a quick growing tree around here. And they're pretty much everywhere. Now my forest is predominantly oak, sprinkle of white pine and maple, with a hefty amount of popple on the north end. So we're going to get this milled up, 16 foot long. I need live edge boards for a wavy edge sighting I'm doing. Vertical reverse board and batten wavy edge sighting, if that makes sense, if you can picture that on a deer blind. I need 22 boards. This is 16 foot long. It's going to be close. It's going to be close. I'm going to make them 1 inch thick and not 3/4 inch, just because they need to be a little stout to keep them from curling. You know, working with green wood, you only put one nail in the center, and then you come back the next year and you drive some nails in, is how I do it anyhow. So I think this should work out. This should be a good board. The deer blind's only 5'9", 5'10". So I'll run these lengthwise, the whole length, and cut them in half. I almost can get 3 of them out of each cutoff. So we'll see what happens. But I'm gonna have to handle these cutoffs. Yeah. Shoot. These things are heavy. But that's what we have the equipment for. So let's get this thing going. Put you on this side of the log so you can see how big it really is. There. How do you like that view? Okay, I think it looks good. 15 inches. Small end should be around 12. Inside the bark, 12. All right, here we go. First cut. These are long cuts. Hello? Hello? What happened? Woo! Woo! Make sure we didn't catch anything on fire. How did that happen? Maybe I'll blow some of that out of there.
Hey, I just broke down on the side of the road. My front right passenger side just froze up. I think, would that be the caliper?
Or the bearing, one or the other.
Okay.
Could be that too. I don't have my truck here.
Yeah,
Otherwise we could put it up on the trailer.
yeah. I'm at Nelson's. Do you think Jimmy's home?
Yes! Call him.
Okay. I'll give him a call and...
Give him a shout and then let me know and call me back, all right? I'm going to shut my phone off or turn my phone on so I can hear you.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay?
Alrighty.
Yep, bye.
Bye.
I have no way to get that thing home.
He was going to try to work on. He's like, I'm gonna see if Kayla can bring the tools. I'll try to work on it. But he's worried about your chainsaw, so we put it in the car.
What car was it? Truck or the car?
He has the truck.
His truck broke down. So it's probably a Wilbur. It's
So he had Kayla's mom come get him.
It's-
So he's trying to get ready for the party. I said, let me know if you need me to come down. I'm just trying to.
I have a big problem. I got jammed up. I don't know what hell happened. We got through this popple log. It's 16 foot 6 inches. It was a big log. It's about 17-inch boards. The biggest boards are about 15 to 17 inches wide. I used to enjoy milling popple, and of late I've been struggling with it. I don't know if I don't have the right angle rakers. I'm not rakers, but teeth. My rake angle, I guess that's what it would be called, the rake angle. I'm using 7 degrees. It should have no problem. This is pretty soft wood, but it seems gummy. Let's just say that. In fact, I had that vent on there. I was using a dryer vent to direct it down, and it does really work well for the oaks. But this wood was so gummy. I was pouring some water to it because I was running it slow. It's a long cut, heats the band up. So when I do the longer cuts, I do run more water, but it was just really gummy sawdust. If anybody knows what was causing that, probably maybe I had too much water going. If you know, give me a shout. But when I notice when I run these long logs, my blade gets really warm if I don't keep the water poured into it. But I got this done. This is going to be live edge wavy siding, vertical siding, reverse board and batten. I think it's going to look good. You'll see it on a project I'm building for my daughter, a deer blind. So guys, ooh, a little punky there. That's about when these trees start rotting too. But okay, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you don't mind, share this with some friends. The channel's growing. If you have any questions about the Frontier Sawmill, shoot them to me.